in this range. Even there are no communities. If there are any communities, then the next question is whether those are vulnerable people or VIP. So none identified. Same is for the VIPs. There are no VIPs within the area of influence. Are there any other external stakeholders present in the area? No other external stakeholders. Obviously, the workers will be there, project workers. Have communities and other stakeholders experienced opinion about their experience with other projects in the area of influence? How recent? This question comes when there are communities close by. We ask them about their experience, past projects, if they have any impacts during the construction of other projects, so that we should modify our project accordingly, or we should plan our mitigation measures accordingly. We do some, at times we do some perception surveys at the start of the project. But for this type of project where there are no communities, no such surveys or no consultations, previous experience, opinions of the people, we don't need it. No views taken from stakeholders, as there are no sensitive receptors near the project facilities. The question was that if people express any positive, negative, or how positive, how negative views about other projects. It is not about this project. It is about the other projects. If communities over there, they experience, they in the past they had good or bad experience about the project. Are there any other activities in the area of influence taking place or planned to take place that may influence existing operations? This is about the this question number 9 is vice versa to the other projects, other questions, 8 questions. The previous questions were about the project activities, if the project activities are going to impact any external stakeholder. Now the question is about the external stakeholders or external activities, any other projects which may affect your project. So if you can name any projects in the area which we are expecting that they may affect this project. Maybe any other operator is planning any other projects on Das Island nearby. So by that activities, your project may be impacted. So do we have any such projects? We can name it, or we can just write none.
We have a project from ADNOC Gas, but
Okay.
as of now, we have not received any details of those projects.
Okay. What?
However,
P5 project, I think.
yes. But however, the routes which we have now following up is mainly on the existing pipe racks of ADNOC Gas.
Can this P5 project, still you don't have details of this P5 project?
Yes.
But do you think it may affect your project, or it's away from you? Or we can put some potential impact, and we can, as mitigation measure, we can write that engagement with the P5 project.
Yes, engagement, yes, required, yes.
Yeah. Okay. For P5, we also mentioned that they should require engagement.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So, potential. If there is no coordination, in that case, there might be some
yes.
impact on the project, so we can put it as.
But it can be only the delay in
Okay.
from social on
Potential
this
delays.
point. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Chairman, can you please zoom in? We cannot read the text. Just make it at least 50%.
Okay. Let me increase the font. Okay.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Welcome. Potential delays in project if there is no coordination between both the projects. The impact will be minor or more than minor, serious. But we can put it as rare also.
Let us put it likely.
Likely, okay. Likely will, what is too much. This is about the frequency of occurrence. Means it may happen once during the lifetime. So we can put it rare, rare chance. Okay. Although the impact is serious. And the mitigation measure is engagement with the P5 project team.
Yes.
Okay. Then the question is about the planning. Do we have GIS